Class 6, Chapter 1, Knowing Our Numbers. What are natural numbers? Counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are called natural numbers. The smallest natural number is 1 and there is no largest natural number. I repeat, all the counting numbers are called natural numbers. The smallest natural number is 1. That means natural number starts from 1. Now let us understand the process of comparison of natural numbers. How we can compare natural numbers? We often need to compare two or more numbers. Here are some of the ways it can be performed easily. Point number 1 is, if two numbers have unequal number of digits, then the number with the greater number of digits is greater. Here let's have an example. Number 9 and number 36. Number 9 has only one digit, whereas number 36 has two digits, 3 and 6, two digits. So 36 is greater than 9. If two numbers have equal number of digits, then the number with greater valued digit on the extreme left is greater. If the digits on the extreme left of the number are equal, then the digits to the right of the extreme left digits are compared, and so on. Let us understand these rules through examples. Here we have two numbers, 358 and 4567. We need to find out the greater number. Let's find out. First number, 358. Here in this number, three digits are there, 3, 5 and 8. In 4567, four digits are there, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 4 digits. So obviously 4-digit number is greater than 3-digit number. So clearly here 4657 is greater than 358. It's so easy to find out the greater number if the numbers have different digits of number. In other example, we have 1345 and 2456. Here both the numbers have 4 digits. So how we will find out which is the greater number? In both the numbers, check the first number from the left side. In 1345, the number on the extreme left is 1, and in 2456, the number on the extreme left is 2. Which is greater, 1 or 2? Yes, 2 is greater. So here 2456 is greater than 1345. So here we can say that if we need to compare two or more numbers and they have same digit of numbers, we should check the number on the left side, extreme left side. Here we have third example. First number is 4345 and second number is 4656. Here both the numbers have 4 digits. So what we will do? We will check the number on the extreme left. That is 4 in both the numbers. The number on the extreme left is same. In both the number 4 is there. So what we will do? We will check second digit on the left side. In 4345 it is 3 and in 4656 it is 6. Which is greater number, 3 or 6? Yes, 6. So 4656 is greater than 4345. So here we understood that if we need to compare the numbers and if they are having same digit, we will check the first left side digit. If the first digit on the extreme left is same, then we will check the second digit on the left side. If we need to compare two numbers and they are having same digit of number, check the first one from the left side. If first digit is same, go for the second digit on the left side. If second is also same, go for the third digit and so on. In this way, you can find out greater number and smaller number. In the same way, you can find out greatest number and the smallest number if 4 or 5 numbers are given. Now, let us understand how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Before learning the process of arranging numbers in ascending and descending order, first let us know what is ascending order and what is descending order. The arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the greatest is called ascending order. I repeat, ascending order means the arrangement of numbers from the smallest to greatest. The arrangement of numbers from the greatest to smallest is called descending order. I repeat, descending order means the arrangement of numbers from greatest to the smallest. Here we have example. Here we have 4 numbers, 5392, 5782, 5789 and 5654. The above rules of comparison can be applied here also. Here all 4 numbers have 4 digits. So we will check the first digit at extreme left. In all 4 numbers, first digit is 5. In all 4 numbers, the first digit is same. So what we will do? We will go from the second extreme left digit. In 5392, it is 3. In 5782, it is 7. In 5789, it is 7. and in 5654 it is 6. So here it is clear that if the number is having 7 at second extreme left, that is bigger. Here two numbers are having 7, so they are bigger than other two. But which is the biggest number? For that we will go to the third extreme left digit. Third digit is 8 and 8. Here third digit also same. So we will go for the fourth digit, that is last digit, 2 and 9. Here we got the answer that 5789 is the greatest than 5782. Third one 5654, and the last smallest one is 5392. If we want to write it in ascending order, reverse this process. Write the last digit first and first digit at last. Write all the numbers in reverse order so that you can get ascending order. That is the order from smallest to biggest.